As we approach the new year, it's the perfect time to reflect on how you want to shape your life in 2025. And instead of relying on typical New Year's resolutions that often fade away, why not tap into a timeless wisdom that guides you toward manifesting your dreams effortlessly? This year, step into 2025 with intention, power, and clarity. Let go of the past and accept the opportunities ahead, knowing that everything you desire is within your reach. The foundation of manifestation lies in the thoughts you hold. Everything you experience in life begins as a thought. To manifest your desires, you must first shift your thinking to align with your dreams. Start by becoming aware of the negative or limiting thoughts that keep you stuck. Recognize them for what they are, false beliefs that do not serve your growth. Once you acknowledge them, you can replace them with empowering thoughts that reflect your true potential. Begin by using affirmations that support your desires. Speak to yourself in the present tense as if what you desire has already happened. This sends a clear signal to your subconscious mind that you are ready to receive abundance, love, health, and success. The more consistently you affirm your desires, the more deeply they become embedded in your consciousness and the more quickly they manifest in your reality. Visualization is another powerful tool. Take a few minutes each day to visualize your ideal life. See yourself living your dreams in vivid detail. Imagine the feelings of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment that come with achieving your goals. The more real this vision becomes in your mind, the quicker it will show up in your physical world. Your mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined, so this practice aligns your thoughts with the frequency of your desires. Your thoughts are incredibly powerful, and by changing them, you create the reality you want to experience. This year, take control of your mind and make it work for you, not against you. Start thinking big and trust that the universe will respond to your new way of being. Manifestation begins with self-belief. You must truly believe that you are worthy of the life you desire. If you struggle with feelings of unworthiness, take time to heal and nurture your self-esteem. Acknowledge your strengths, celebrate your achievements, and remind yourself that you deserve to receive all the good things life has to offer. You are deserving of love, wealth, health, and happiness, and it's time to claim it. Self-doubt is one of the biggest barriers to manifestation. When you doubt yourself, you send out mixed signals to the universe, which creates resistance. To shift this energy, start by practicing self-compassion. Speak kindly to yourself and treat yourself with love and respect. Every time a self-critical thought arises, replace it with a positive affirmation like, "I am worthy of all the abundance life has to offer." Over time, these affirmations will reprogram your subconscious mind, helping you to build a strong sense of self-worth. It's also important to surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. If you're surrounded by negativity or individuals who doubt your abilities, it can be difficult to maintain a high level of self-belief. This positive environment will fuel your belief in yourself and create a space for your manifestations to flourish. The universe responds to the energy you put out. When you believe in your worth, you align with the energy of abundance and allow the universe to deliver your desires with ease. Setting clear, specific intentions is key to manifesting your dreams. Intentions act as a roadmap, guiding you toward your goals and helping you stay focused on what truly matters. When setting intentions, be clear and precise about what you want to manifest in 2025. Instead of vague goals like "I want to be happy," specify what happiness looks like to you, whether it's a new job, improved health, or deeper relationships. To set powerful intentions, start by writing them down. The act of writing engages both your conscious and subconscious mind, helping to solidify your desires. As you write, feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. Visualize the success, the joy, and the peace that will come with your manifestations. This emotional connection will amplify the power of your intentions and send a strong signal to the universe. It's also important to let go of any attachment to how your intentions will manifest. Trust that the universe knows the best way for your desires to come to fruition, even if it's different from what you expected. Detach from the need to control the outcome and focus instead on the joy and excitement of what you're calling into your life. When you set your intentions with clarity, positivity, and trust, you create the foundation for the manifestation of your dreams. This year, set intentions that inspire you, excite you, and push you to grow. Trust that the universe is already aligning everything for your highest good. Manifestation isn't just about thinking and believing, it's also about taking inspired action. The universe responds when you take steps toward your goals. Inspired action is when you feel a strong, intuitive pull to do something that aligns with your desires. It might be sending an email, signing up for a course, or taking a small step toward a larger goal. The key is to act when you feel guided, even if the next step isn't fully clear. Start by paying attention to your intuition. Listen to those inner nudges that push you toward your goals. The more you trust and follow these nudges, the more aligned your actions become with your manifestations. Even small steps can create momentum and build the energy needed for your desires to manifest quickly. Consistency is key when taking inspired action. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see immediate results, but recall that every small action counts. Stay committed to your goals and continue to take action, knowing that the universe is working behind the scenes to support you. Action is the bridge between your thoughts and the physical manifestation of your desires. This year, trust your intuition, take inspired steps toward your dreams, and watch as your manifestations unfold before you. One of the most important lessons in manifestation is understanding that the universe works on its own timing. While it's natural to want things to happen quickly, recall that everything unfolds at the right time. Your desires are being processed and prepared, and sometimes it takes time for them to manifest in the physical world. Trust the timing of your manifestations and know that everything is unfolding for your highest good. When you let go of the need for instant results, you create space for things to come into your life naturally and effortlessly. Patience is key during this process. The universe knows what's best for you and when the right time is to deliver your desires. Use this time to focus on your inner growth and enjoy the journey. The more you focus on enjoying the present moment, the more you attract positive experiences into your life. Keep in mind that there's no need to rush. Everything will arrive when the time is right. Gratitude is a powerful tool in the manifestation process. It acts as a magnet, drawing more of what you appreciate into your life. When you focus on what you're grateful for, no matter how small, you shift your energy from lack to abundance. This subtle shift not only elevates your mood, but also raises your vibration to match the frequency of your desires. The more you feel gratitude for what you already have, the quicker you'll attract more of what you want. To begin cultivating gratitude, start by keeping a gratitude journal. Every day, write down at least 3 things you're thankful for. These can be as simple as a good cup of coffee in the morning or the support of a friend. The key is consistency and truly feeling the gratitude in your heart as you write. As you develop this habit, you'll begin to notice that even on challenging days, you can still find things to be grateful for. This positive energy becomes a powerful magnet, drawing your manifestations closer. In addition to journaling, take a moment throughout your day to pause and express gratitude. Before bed, reflect on your day, expressing thanks for everything that went well, even the small victories. This nightly ritual will enhance your manifestation process, sending a message to the universe that you are ready to receive more of what you desire. The universe responds to this energy and will bring more to be thankful for. Make gratitude a central part of your routine. The more grateful you become, the more you align with the energy of abundance, and the faster your desires will manifest. Fear and doubt are two of the most common obstacles to manifestation. When you're trying to manifest something powerful, these emotions can create resistance, preventing your desires from coming to fruition. It's essential to recognize that fear is simply an illusion, a belief that something might go wrong, and it's a signal that you're stepping out of your comfort zone and expanding beyond the limits you've set for yourself. To manifest with ease, you must release these negative emotions and trust that the universe has your back. Start by identifying your fears and acknowledging them without judgment. Simply observing them allows you to detach from their power. Once you understand that fear is just a reaction to the unknown, you can begin to release it. One way to do this is through deep breathing exercises, which help to calm your mind and reduce anxiety. You can also use affirmations like, "I release all fear and doubt," or "I trust that everything I desire is already on its way." Another powerful technique is visualization. Imagine yourself already living the life you desire, free from fear and filled with confidence. Picture the success, the happiness, and the peace that come with your manifestation. As you vividly imagine these scenes, you'll begin to feel more confident in your ability to attract your desires. This emotional connection makes it easier to let go of fear and trust in the process. Release fear and doubt by trusting in the universe's timing and your own ability to manifest. The more you let go of these limiting emotions, the more aligned you'll be with the energy of abundance, and the quicker your manifestations will come to life. To manifest your dreams, you must align your energy with the frequency of your desires. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, and your thoughts and emotions emit their own unique frequency. The more you align your energy with what you want, the faster your desires will come to you. To do this, you must elevate your vibration to match the energy of your goals. If you want wealth, feel abundant. If you want love, feel love. If you want health, feel vibrant and healthy. One of the most effective ways to raise your vibration is by practicing positive self-talk. The words you speak to yourself create your reality. Start replacing negative self-talk with empowering affirmations. Instead of saying, "I can't afford this," say, "Money flows easily into my life." Instead of saying, "I'm not worthy of love," say, "I am deserving of a loving and fulfilling relationship." These positive statements will help you align your energy with what you want to manifest. In addition to affirmations, listen to high-frequency music or binaural beats that are designed to elevate your vibration. This can help clear any negative energy and bring you into alignment with your desires. Surround yourself with positive influences, people, environments, and experiences that uplift you and support your goals. The more you immerse yourself in positive energy, the quicker you will align with your desired frequency. Aligning your energy with your desires requires consistent practice. The more you focus on high vibration thoughts, feelings, and actions, the faster your manifestations will materialize in your life. When it comes to manifestation, one of the most important aspects is surrendering control and trusting that the universe is working in your favor. Many people try to control every aspect of their manifestations, but this often creates resistance and delays the process. The key to manifesting with ease is to trust that everything is unfolding as it should, and that your desires are already on their way to you. Surrendering control doesn't mean you give up on your dreams. It means releasing the need to micromanage how your desires will manifest. Trust that the universe knows the best path for your desires to come into your life. Whether your manifestations come quickly or take time, trust that the process is unfolding perfectly. One way to practice surrender is by letting go of attachment to the outcome. Instead of obsessing over when or how things will happen, focus on the joy of knowing that what you desire is already on its way. When you release the need to control, you create space for miracles to happen. Trust that the universe is aligning everything for you and know that it's safe to let go. Surrendering to the process also allows you to be more present in your life. When you stop focusing on the end result, you enjoy the journey and appreciate all the small victories along the way. This positive energy attracts even more abundance into your life. Creating a vision for your life is one of the most important steps in manifesting your desires. When you have a clear vision of what you want, the universe can better align with your goals and bring them into your reality. A vision is more than just a wish list. It's a roadmap that guides you to your desired life. To create a powerful vision, take time to reflect on what you truly want. What does your dream life look like in 2025? What kind of experiences do you want to have and how do you want to feel? Write down your vision, focusing on the feelings it evokes. Be as specific as possible and include all the details that excite and inspire you. The more vivid and emotional your vision, the more powerful it will be. Don't just write about material things. Include how you want to feel in your relationships, career, and personal growth. For example, you might envision waking up every day feeling energized, confident, and grateful for all the abundance in your life. Once your vision is clear, revisit it regularly. The more you focus on it, the more aligned you will become with your desires. As you visualize and feel the emotions connected to your dream life, you'll begin to vibrate at the same frequency as your desires, drawing them closer. Your vision is your blueprint for the future. Keep it alive in your mind and heart and allow it to guide you toward your dreams. The clearer your vision, the quicker your manifestations will unfold. Step into 2025 with confidence, knowing that you have the power to manifest your desires. By mastering the art of manifestation through clarity, belief, inspired action, and trust, you will create the life of your dreams. Don't forget to stay patient and grateful and keep aligning with the energy of abundance. The universe is waiting to deliver everything you desire. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful manifestation tips. Wishing you a transformational year ahead.